I would like to extend a cordial welcome to our alumni who are here to grace the occasion with their presence. In fact, they will share their experiences and journey with us. To begin with, I would like to take the privilege to invite a super senior, Mr. Ian D'Souza, batch of 2018, who is currently working at Vera Group, a real estate firm, as an assistant marketing manager. I would request to kindly share his generous journey with us. Over to you, Ian.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Good afternoon, everyone present here. Good afternoon, dear students. Today, you all will be beginning a journey filled with hardships, learning, development, and growth. And in this journey, you are never alone. We have this wonderful set of faculties, amazingly experienced, who will guide you throughout this way. You have a lovely campus which has computer labs, libraries. Also, to freshen up your minds, there are indoor games and sections. So, it is up to you to create a good choice. Show the faculty what you are so that they can pull out the best from you. Secondly, there is also, I want to give you an experience about my past, my batch, the previous batches. I have heard students nagging about placements. At first, you need to develop yourself, groom yourself. Only then will you be placed. You can't blame the placement cell saying that you're not getting placed. It is you who have to believe in yourself, and then there's a bright future ahead. I would also like to say that strive for progress. Perfection leads leaders way. Also, another thing, there will be faculties who will be giving you tasks, assignments. They'll be telling you to go for events, never bunk lectures. Okay? If you bunk lectures during a time of your examinations, you will not know what to write. The book doesn't say it all. This wonderful faculty here has more than books. Should develop, grow, learn. That's all, and wish you a very happy journey. These 2 years of your journey will be fun. We'll just have to cherish the memory lane once you leave like us. So, all the best, strive hard, and achieve success. Thank you.